Ever wished you had a super smart assistant to help you write, code, or search faster? In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot, that anyone can use right now for free or cheap. These tools can save you time, make work easier, and even spark your creativity. Let's see how. Welcome to Edgewaverse, your place to learn smart technology in simple words. Today, we'll explore ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot. What do they do? How can you use them? And why are so many people talking about them? Let's find out. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that can answer questions, help you write emails, create stories, or explain things in easy language. You just type, and it responds like a helpful friend. What is Gemini? Gemini is Google's AI helper. It can search, give summaries, and help you with tasks like creating lists or ideas. It's built into Google Apps, so it's easy to use. What is Copilot? Copilot is an AI that helps mainly with coding. It suggests code as you type, helps fix errors, and saves time for programmers. But it can also help write documents or notes. How these tools help in real life. 1. ChatGPT. Write faster, learn new things, or brainstorm ideas. 2. Gemini. Search smarter, make summaries, or plan projects. 3. Copilot. Speed up coding, fix bugs, or learn to program. Easy to start, no tech skills needed. All you need is an internet connection. Open the app or website, type your question or task, and see the magic happen. Tips to use them well. 1. Be clear with your instructions. 2. Check the answers. AI can make mistakes too. 3. Explore free versions before paying for extras. Conclusion: so whether you're a student, a worker, or just curious, these AI tools can make your life easier. Give them a try and see how they can help you today. If this video helped you, hit like, comment your favorite AI tool, and subscribe to Edgewaverse for more simple guides to smart technology. See you next time.